If you don't mind, I want to try something. I'm going to hold up two colors, and I want you to shout out whatever flavor they remind you of. Red and white. If you guess peppermint, that's what I was thinking too. Okay, how about yellow and green? If lemon lime came to mind, you're 2 for 2. Okay, just one more. How about orange and cream? If all of a sudden you're craving a creamsicle, then you've passed the test with flying colors. And since creamsicles are one of my favorites, let me show you how to make a cool and creamy layered pudding that uses those two colors, or shall I say flavors. For the orange flavor, we dissolve orange gelatin in boiling water. Then we stir in some cold water. After that cools slightly, we'll beat in a package of vanilla pudding. And to make it extra creamy, after it cools, we'll fold in some homemade vanilla whipped cream. Look what we get when we alternate our orange pudding with some of the vanilla cream. A dessert that stimulates your taste buds just by looking at it. To get the recipe for our Dreamy Creamy Pudding, all you have to do is hop online. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen. Thanks for taking our tasty color test. And the next time you think of these two colors together, the first words out of your mouth might just be, ooh, it's so good. Delicious? Mm-hmm. You look like a creamsicle.